If you wanted to find and use a timer on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, all you need to do is find the clock app. Once you go to the clock app, you can switch the timer over here in the bottom right corner. Now we can select the timer, so let's say we're gonna set it to 1 minute, press start, and here is the countdown. If you want to, you can press this plus button in order to add another timer. You can pause the timer at any point and also delete it. We can also use one of these presets over here, so we can immediately set up 10 minutes, 15 or 30. You can also tap on these three dots in the top right corner and we can add preset timer. So let's say I'm gonna add 55 minutes. We can also set the name, and there we go. We have a custom preset. We can also edit preset timers in order to, for instance, delete timers that we don't want to use anymore. Press delete over here in the bottom, at the bottom I mean, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!